Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel. Alrighty, hey, well, welcome back guys. Today's video I'm going to be doing some work on the Skyline, but I just wanted to firstly point out you might notice something's a bit different behind me, and that's because my BMW is not there anymore. I have sold that now, a little bit unexpected, but yeah, so the BMW is gone now, and I got to think about what to do in the meantime. I am doing some work on the Skyline, and that is registerable, so we'll see what happens there. But anyway, let's go and have a closer look. I got the bonnet up on the Sylvia here, so you can see that. Oof. Got the China turbo on there at the moment, and China wastegate, and then yeah, here's the Skyline. Now I've had to replace this top water hose here. Yeah, it completely like disintegrated up there, so it was just leaking coolant, and then the one down there, I just tightened it for now, then it stopped leaking, so hopefully that's all right. But yeah, anyway, just put this new section in up to here and joined it back up because the rest of this hose is still good. It's obviously coming from over here. But yeah, the biggest issue was it was idling really rough. Oh, I put a new fuel pressure gauge on it as well. That one wasn't working. But under here, I don't know if you can see, it's basically that hose clamp there goes onto a pipe now, which goes to something that's like under there, like in under there. And that pipe had disintegrated, so that had completely disappeared. So I had to replace that to stop the vacuum leak we were having. But anyway, what I'm doing today is putting new, I think they're called traction arms. I did the camber arms in the last video, as you'll be able to see. But yeah, anyway, I'll be putting the new traction arms, I believe they're called, in. Yeah, these ones. So they've just come in now, and we've got nice black, and they even come with like a dust cover, rubber dust cover, which is awesome. So yeah, pretty cool. And we'll be putting these in. So let's get to it. All right, as you can probably tell, I've painted everything black, so yeah, it just looks nice and nothing fancy down here, so that's kind of cool. We got this one in the other day, so now it's time, it's time to get this one in. But the reason I'm kind of doing this is because you can't really push this out much without this one being pushed out too, it seems. So I think I might have mentioned it last time, but it seems like you have to do both of these pretty much if you want to get the proper adjustment. So yeah, we're going to pop this one in and we'll have more adjustment, so that's good. Let's go. Okay, so it should come out pretty easily. It's 19's a 19 and a 17, so maybe we'll start at the back. Okay, that one's out. Oh, that's a fancy looking bolt. Okay, that came out pretty easily. Let's pop this one back in. And I'll just want to make this to be about the same length as well, so. Okay, that's looking like it's the same length now. Let's get it in. That's a tight fit. Okay, that's good, finally. There we go. All right, we're in. Let's see if we can get this other one in. Alright, that's on there. let's tighten them up. Oh, that's tight. Whew. Alrighty. And just nip these up. So I think this one's this one you gotta tighten it. Okay, it's nice and tight. Okay, that's all on there now, and yeah, much the same as putting the camber arm in, like that. Yeah, I think it's called a traction arm, you know, and this one's the lower control arm, and then this would normally be like the tow arm, but in this case it's that hiker steering arm. So anyway, I'll leave that for now. But yeah, that's the two top arms done now, and obviously that was a pretty quick and easy install. It'll be the exact same on the other side, and I'll try and keep this video short, so I might end up there. And yeah, if you got any questions or want to ask me anything, leave a comment, and then if you like this, for us to like, and feel free to subscribe and share if you like, and stay tuned for more videos about all this sort of stuff. And yeah, so the beam is gone. I'll just touch quickly on that, and I've been riding this sturdy beast around my bike, and hopefully there'll be another car soon. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.